The reason I come to this event is because I think that IT and OT really need to start working together because our technologies are really colliding and coming together in the same way, and we really need to take advantage of each other's strengths and weaknesses.
What makes this conference different is number one, location. We're in the middle of Houston. This is fantastic. Oil and gas is here. The OT and IT networks converge. One of the other things that makes this a wonderful opportunity is all the vendors that we have. You look around the room and every single vendor in IT and OT is here representing themselves.
You know, some of the largest oil and gas companies in the world and energy companies and chemical companies are actually here, and it's actually their leadership.
There's a lot of decision makers that are here, so the networking has been great.
We've been able to have some really good, valuable conversations. That's definitely helping with the amount of people that said, yeah, please call me afterwards and we'll follow up and have a discussion.
And I was able to speak with people that otherwise I probably wouldn't have connected with. Breaking up the sessions the way it does, it becomes a more effective conference to attendees.
I think it's really a conference that combines the top influential people and the top companies, both from the vendor side and from the large enterprises side, so it really allows a very high quality discussion.
You visit with the vendors in a sort of an easy, nobody's trying to sell you anything, they just want to give you information, and that is key. There's no pressure in any of that.
I think the Catalyst team clearly has worked really hard in preparing and running this, and so it certainly shows in what the quality of the event and the quality of the interactions.
Not only will we probably sponsor again, I think we'll elevate our position and elevate our representation here.
It's great to see how so many people care about this problem of protecting critical infrastructure and are coming together to this place to have great discussions around that. So it's been great to be here, and I hope to be here again next time.